Good morning, students. Welcome to the next lesson on the chapter Playing with Numbers. Let's discuss the assignment. The first question was, the product of two numbers is 24. Their sum is 14. Find the numbers. So you know how to do this question. You first have to write all the factors of 24. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now you have to express all the factors as the product of 24. So where 1 into 24 is equal to 24, 2 into 12 is equal to 24, 3 into 8 is equal to 24 and 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Now in all these four pairs, you see that the pair 2 and 12 have the sum 14 and their product is 24. So the required numbers are 2 and 12. The next question, write first 6 multiples of 35. So to write first 6 multiples of 35, you will multiply 35 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 respectively, and you will write the products. So the first 6 multiples are 35, 70, 105, 140, 175 and 210. Third question, write all the factors of 168. So all the factors of 168 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 12, 14, 21, 24, 28, 42, 56, 84 and 168. So here also you see that all the factors are there in the pair. Okay, so 1 into 68, 1 into 168, 2 into 84, 3 into 56, 3 into 4 into 42, 6 into 28 and like that. Okay, next question. Show that 48 is a factor of any of its multiples. So I have taken 4 multiples here. 4 into 2 is equal to 96. 4 into 7 is equal to 336. Sorry, 48. These are 48. 48 into 11 is equal to 528. 48 into 36 is 1728. So all these are the multiples of 48, right? So 96, 336, 528 and 1728 are the multiples of 48. So you can take any of the multiples of your choice to prove that. Okay. Now we see that every number is divisible by 48, right? So factor 48 is the factor of all its multiples. Thus every number is the factor of all its multiples. Okay. This is one more property of it. Every number is the factor of all its multiples. Next question, write the first 5 multiples of 72. So here also you have to multiply 72 to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will get 72, 144, 216, 288 and 360. Now let's start the new topic, even and odd numbers. You know very well what are even and odd numbers. Even numbers are the multiples of 2 and odd numbers are not the multiples of 2. Like 56 divided by 2 is 28, 110 divided by 2 is 55, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So all these numbers are divisible by 2, that means they are multiples of 2. So that means 56, 110 and 8 are even numbers. So the numbers having 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at the units place are called even numbers. Now what is units place? It is ones place. Okay, and 79, 673, 901, 345, 887 are the examples of odd numbers. That means the numbers having 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 at the units place are called odd numbers. Okay, now prime numbers and composite numbers. See, what are the factors of 2? Tell me. Factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Factors of 7, again 1 and 7. Factors of 31, 1 and 31. Factors of 11, 1 and 11. Factors of 37, again 1 and 37. Factors of 59, 1 and 59. See, you can check if there is any other factor of any of these numbers. You will not find any. It means all these numbers have only two factors. Here we saw that there are some numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and itself. See, in all the numbers, 1 is the factor and the other factor is the number itself, right? These numbers are known as prime numbers. So, the numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. Okay? Now, factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 9, 1, 3 and 9. Factors of 22, 1, 2, 11 and 22. Factors of 42, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. Factors of 39, 1, 3, 13 and 39. Factors of 30, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Here we saw that there are some numbers which have more than two factors. So all these examples that I have taken here have more than two factors. These numbers are known as composite numbers. So the numbers which have more than two factors other than including 1 and itself are called composite numbers. Here we observed a few things. 1 is neither prime nor composite as it has only one factor. Now 1 is the factor of all the numbers and 1 is the factor of itself. So 1 has only one factor, so it is neither prime nor composite. 2 is the smallest prime number. Obviously after 1 2 is there and 2 is a prime number. It has only two factors, so 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. You see, as I told you, all the even numbers are divisible by 2, right? So let's consider 2. So consider 2 is only has two factors, 1 and 2, right? So 2 is the only even prime number, because other than 2 all the even numbers have more than two factors. Okay, and all even numbers are composite numbers except 2. Alright. What are twin primes? Now there is one concept called twin primes. Two consecutive odd prime numbers are called twin primes, like 3 and 5, 11 and 13, 17 and 19. So all these are twin prime numbers. Okay. Prime triplet. The three consecutive odd prime numbers are called prime triplet. The three consecutive. Twin primes are 2 consecutive and prime triplet are 3 consecutive. And I hope you know the meaning of consecutive, coming one after another. And the only prime triplet known so far is 3, 5, 7. You cannot find any other prime triplet other than this. And co-prime numbers. Now see, what are co-prime numbers? The numbers which do not have any common factor other than 1 are called co-prime numbers, like 2 and 3. 2 and 3 doesn't have any common factor other than 1. 9, 10, 4 and 7, 7 and 11, 15, 19, 22, all these 3 are co-prime numbers. 71, 89 and 100. So all these 3 are also co-prime numbers. Here we observed a few things, like 2 prime numbers are always co-prime numbers. See, 2, 3, 7, 11. So 2 prime numbers are always co-prime, because prime numbers have only two factors, 1 and itself. So two prime numbers will not have any common factors other than 1. So they are always co-prime numbers. Two co-prime numbers need not be a prime number, like 14 and 15. Okay, these both are composite numbers, right? But they don't have any common factor other than 1. So they are co-prime numbers. Two composite numbers can also be co-prime numbers. Okay, that like I explained right now. And two consecutive numbers are always co-prime, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 99, 100, 201, 202. So two consecutive numbers are always co-prime. Okay, assignment. First question, which of the following numbers are even or odd? 126, 74, 221, 33. Second question, what are twin primes? Write all the pairs of twin primes between 50 and 150. Write 5 pairs of odd prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 4. You have to write 5 pairs of odd prime numbers, any type of prime numbers, less than 20. All those numbers have to be less than 20, and the numbers in the pair, their sum should be divisible by 4. And express 97 as the sum of 3 odd primes. What are co-prime numbers? Give examples. So this is your assignment for today. Do your homework, study well, stay at home, be safe.